Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to make smothered chicken Texas Roadhouse style. To start, season your chicken with a salt, pepper, onion powder, and smoked paprika. This will give it a delicious kick of flavor. Season both sides of the chicken breast and set it aside. Next, let's mix together our marinade. In a bowl, combine low-sodium soy sauce, a tablespoon of lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, and minced garlic. Pour this tantalizing marinade over the chicken, ensuring it's evenly coated. Now, pop it into the fridge for a couple of hours to allow the flavors to mingle and intensify. While our chicken marinates, slice one onion and some mushrooms. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Add a tablespoon of butter. Cook your sliced onion. Once the onions have cooked and become translucent, add our sliced mushrooms. Sprinkle them with salt, pepper, and garlic for extra flavor. Also add another tablespoon of butter. Stir everything together and cover, reducing the heat to let them cook to perfection. Once cooked, take it off the heat. Now, let's cook our marinated chicken. In the same pan, melt the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter. Place the chicken in it and cook until both the sides turn a beautiful golden brown. Make sure to check the internal temperature using a meat thermometer, and once it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfectly cooked and juicy. Now it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Top the cooked chicken with those delicious sautéed mushrooms and onions. And of course, we can't forget the final touch, a slice of jack cheese. Cover our smothered chicken to let the cheese melt and become gloriously oozy. Here you have it, folks, very own smothered chicken Texas Roadhouse style. This dish is a crowd pleaser, perfect for a cozy family dinner or entertaining guests. Tender chicken, with those sautéed mushrooms and onions and gooey melted jack cheese, creates a symphony of flavors. Try, and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more mouth-watering recipes.